Welcome back to Butterfly, and today we are reviewing the stock cold brew that we got at Costco. I am gonna make a pistachio cold brew, okay? So let's see if it comes out and how good it is. This is another product from Costco. It's a pistachio cream or pistachio butter. And what it looks like is basically like peanut butter. And it is so addictive. Oh, God. All right, so we're using the pistachio butter. I'm adding a little bit of pistachio creamer, milk, a stock cold brew, and some ice. Let's get to it. 2 tablespoons of creamer, and you'll place it in the microwave for 30 seconds. 2 tablespoons of pistachio cream. I do heaping. Pro tip, I don't have a frother, but I do have a handheld mixer. Our new find from Costco, the stock cold brew, about a cup. It's unsweetened, but it's so not strong. About a cup. In our pistachio mix, I'm just gonna add some almond milk. And in goes the pistachio mix. CPU. And stir. There you have it. Pistachio cold brew at home, cheaper than Starbucks. And it is, let's see. It's so good. I would take a bite. Buy that stock at Costco, buy the pistachio cream, and you'll have a coffee of your dreams. Bye, guys.